Top 5 Best Upright Exercise Bikes for Weight Loss. Number 5. NordicTrack Commercial S2I. Bring the gym to you. NordicTrack is known for its premium fitness gear, and the Commercial S2I Studio Cycle is no exception. Use it with an iFit membership and gain access to a variety of live studio classes, interactive global workouts, and goal-based training programs. The 22-inch screen rotates, and you can use it to follow trainers as your downward dog or whatever else you please. A set of 3-pound dumbbells are included. As for the bike itself, it has a quiet incline, a cooling fan, and offers 24 levels of resistance for a sweat-producing workout. If you purchase the bike on Amazon, you get 90 days to return, plus a full refund. Of course, I doubt you'll want to once you start seeing results. Why we like it. Holds a rider of 350 pounds. Includes 30-day membership to iFit. Includes dumbbells for cross-training. Coming in number 4. Pubu Folding Magnetic. Talk about a full body workout. The folding magnetic exercise bike from Pubu is a mini gym. It not only includes a set of lightweight dumbbells, but comes with rope bands that can be used while riding or positioned behind the bike. Performing cardio has been shown to be effective at reducing body mass, but studies have also shown that resistance training can fight obesity as well. This bike offers a way to do both that's efficient and space-saving. It includes a back seat, and features a thick X-frame to support your weight whether you lean forward or ride straight. You'll love pulling out this 3-in-1 bike regularly. Why we like it. Comes with dumbbells. Includes resistance bands. Thick frame and large back seat. Coming in number 3. Schwinn Fitness AD2. Exercise your entire body in a single session. It's possible with the AD2 Airdyne fan bike. This stationary's arms move with you as you pedal, working your shoulders and biceps as you cycle your legs. On days your calves need a break, rest your feet on the foot pegs and focus on your upper body. Start off slow to warm up, and then shift to high gear. The faster you go, the faster the fan spins, creating resistance and keeping you cool. If you close your eyes, you might even think the wind is blowing through your hair. The pedals include large straps to keep you secure, and the body has a slim display with huge numbers to show your time. Wheels on the front make the bike easy to move, and it only needs 2 AA batteries to operate. This is my personal favorite upright exercise bike for weight loss of 2022, and I'm sure you'll love it too. In fact, you may want to also consider the rest of Schwinn's fan bike series. The AD7 Airdyne fan bike's monitor is positioned higher and can measure your heart rate. It also has a larger fan and thicker seat. Why we like it. Fan-based resistance. Movable handlebars. Energy saving. Coming in number 2. Schwinn 170 Upright Bike. Physical activity helps maintain our quality of life as we age, and staying motivated enough to reach our weight loss goal means keeping our routine exciting. The Schwinn 170 makes that simple with its fully loaded console. It boasts 29 workout programs, and includes a blue backlit screen for easy viewing. The forearm rests have heart rate sensors, and the contoured seat can be angled to a position that keeps your legs and bum out free. The bike features a high-speed, high-inertia drive system, which means you can build momentum quickly. As your endurance improves, start increasing your resistance to build strength. The design also has a slot for your iPad, and if you want something more immersive, connect to the Bluetooth and pair with your health tracking apps. Why we like it. 29 workout programs. Oversized adjustable seat. More than 20 levels of resistance. Coming in number 1. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. If you're a spin class fan or like the idea of standing while you ride, the indoor cycling bike from YOSUDA is for you. It has the durability of larger indoor cycling bikes, but is way easier transport. Although a 72-pound machine may not sound sturdy, don't be fooled. It handles 270 pounds of weight, and includes wheels to move it from room to room. The belt-driven design makes pedaling ultra-smooth, and the handlebars and seat have several adjustment options. My favorite part is the iPad holder, so you can watch videos or read no matter what room you set up in. The bike includes an LCD monitor that tracks miles, calories, and time. Plus, wool is built into the brakes, so it's extra quiet. Thousands of Amazon customers swear it's just as good as some of the bigger name bikes, and we agree. Why we like it? More than 11,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. Lightweight and portable. Includes iPad holder,